Just got your Tractive GPS pet tracker and not sure how to set it up? In this video, I'll show you how to set up any Tractive tracker including the dog and the cat options in just few minutes. First, fully charge the Tractive tracker before setup. Most Tractive trackers come partially charged, but a full charge helps and avoid setup issues later. Depending on the model, charging usually takes around 2 to 3 hours. Next, download the Tractive app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also scan the QR code included inside the box. Once installed, open the app and create your account. Now press and hold the power button for around 3 seconds until the LED lights turn on. That means the tracker is powered on and ready to connect. Inside the app, tap Add Tracker and follow the on-screen setup instructions. The app will guide you through Bluetooth pairing, activation, subscription setup, GPS connection, and yes, the Tractive trackers require a subscription because they use cellular networks for real-time GPS tracking. Now you need to attach the Tractive tracker to your dog's or cat's collar, followed by checking the GPS signal. So open the map inside the app and wait for a few minutes for GPS connection. If the LEDs turn green, your tracker is successfully connected. If you see red lights, move closer to a window or go outdoors for better GPS and cellular signal. And that's it, your Tractive GPS tracker is now fully set up and ready to track your pet in real time. You can now create virtual fences, monitor activity, use live tracking, and check your pet's health insights. And if this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more smart tech tips. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.